between two lines denotes the least integer greater than or equal to x. Is x between two lines equal to 0? So from the question scheme, we know that x between two lines is equal to the least integer greater than or equal to x. For instance, if x is 1.2, then x between two lines is 2, because 2 is the least integer greater than or equal to x. Now another example, if x is, I don't know, negative 2.1, then x between two lines is equal to negative 2, because negative 2 is the least integer greater than or equal to x. I want to know whether x between two lines is equal to 0 or not. So let's go ahead with statement 1. Statement 1 says x is between negative 1 and 1. Therefore, we can pick any number. For instance, if x is negative 0.4, then x between two lines is 0, because 0 is the least integer greater than or equal to x. But what about x equal to 0.4? In that case, x between two lines is equal to 1, because 1 is the least integer greater than or equal to x. So here our answer to the question is yes, x between two lines is equal to 0. But here our answer to the question is no, x between two lines is not equal to 0. Therefore, statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Choice A is discarded and choice D is discarded as well. Now, from statement 2 alone, x is a negative number. So, if x is negative 0.5, then x between two lines is equal to 0. But what about x equal to, for instance, negative 3? In that case, x between two lines is equal to negative 3. Now, here our answer to the question is yes, x between two lines is 0. But here our answer to the question is no, x between two lines is not equal to 0. Therefore, statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Choice B is discarded. Now, we need to use statement 1 and 2 together. So, from statement 1 and 2, x lies between negative 1 and 1, and x is less than 0. So, it means that x must be any number that lies between negative 1 and 0. Therefore, for instance, if x is negative 0.2, then x between two lines is 0, because 0 is the least integer greater than or equal to x. And it doesn't matter which number we pick, since x is always between negative 1 and 0, x between two lines will always be 0. Therefore, we need both the statements together to answer the question. Choice E is discarded. Choice C is correct.